want some chips. Oh, I could use some. Whether it's new or new to you, don't you think your vehicle deserves to look its best? Make it look like it's never been touched before with no scratches and no swirls. That's what Alex decided. Got a Durango, 2016, got it corrected. Now it looks boom. You want to preserve and keep it from being scratched and swirled up like the Lejeunes decided. They bought a brand new Explorer. I got them Ceramic Pro Gold. Scratch resistant, not scratch proof. Don't break the system and it'll last probably until the paint falls off of it. I'm telling you guys, 2-part system. Don't break the system. Installed 4 different types of coatings. Stick with Ceramic Pro. Frank's truck, Mr. Champine's truck, Bonnie's Acadia, Paula's BMW, clients that have come year after year after year after year, boom, it's performing. So don't be fooled by the fast-talking detailers out there. Oh, I got this for you, I got that for you. You get a bargain, and you're just gonna get burned.